the CGM 2.0 monitoring device is actually approved on the 14th of November by HSA, and it provides a continuous glucose monitoring and connect via Bluetooth to our Bazoo app that actually allow individual real-time health tracking and management. For healthcare professionals like you, our Bazoo management system provides a secure portal where, with the patient consent, all this data comes together to support evidence-based clinical outcomes. All these three components actually work seamlessly together to create a complete diabetes care solutions that benefits both individuals and healthcare professionals.